Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to merge bodies. So as example, I will create bodies and choose top plane, and for the first body I will create rectangle, use extrude tools to convert into 3D, and for the second I will select at this face, create sketch. I will draw a rectangle again at this point, click finish sketch, and then use extrude again to convert to 3D. But in here you can click these icons to create new solid body. Click OK. So in here we have two bodies. You can click here, solid bodies 2. And if you want to merge between these two body, you can use the combine tools. Click at this icon, combine, and then select for the base body, and the second the tool bodies. You can click at these icons for boolean join and click OK to merge. So this body will be automatically merged into one. Okay, that's it for a basic Inventor tutorial how to merge bodies. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.